Hi, I'm Fatima. I worked on the COVID-19, Managing COVID-19 in India's Cities project that was funded by the British Academy and was headed by Professor Darshini Mahadevia at Ahmedabad University over the past year. I worked as a research associate with Professor Mahadevia for about a year, a little over a year, where we were trying to find out how COVID-19 and the pandemic at large, and particularly how the lockdowns that were imposed by the government were affecting marginalized communities in Ahmedabad. The larger project was also operating in two other cities, Chennai and Trivandrum. We were part of the Ahmedabad leg of the project, of course, and we then, after about 2 to 3 months of very rigorous fieldwork, working with the communities in particular areas of Ahmedabad, we gathered data which was then compared, analyzed with that data that we'd collected in Chennai and Trivandrum. So we could get a comparative understanding of how different local governments in these three different cities handled the pandemic, and how the effect was tried to, optimally controlled. The effects were tried to control by the government, these local governments within these particular cities, from adversely affecting certain communities, especially the marginalized ones, which, because they live in conditions that already make life very difficult for them. The pandemic and the lockdowns were sort of a phenomena that exacerbated all the existing bad conditions that they already lived in. So our project tried to find out how their lived experiences, their spatial practices, and at large, how their living incomes, how their life at large, and their education particularly was affected. Thank you.